Namaste. Albert Einstein said learning is experience, everything else is just information. Friends, and start focusing on learning. Thank you for visiting my channel. I am Shekhar Ganagaluru. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it now as it boosts my energy to come up with more and more videos. In this video, we'll be understanding a few tips for working from home system. The COVID-19 is forcing the organizations to move from a conventional working system of work from office to work from home for almost all white-collar positions. The entire world is struggling to survive and in this process exploring new opportunities to bounce back as early as possible. The work from home is an option in this direction. Working from home is not an easy thing as we think. Delivering the results as expected with 100% effectiveness is a point of concern. As all of us addicted and fine-tuned ourselves for the culture of the office working environment, reshaping ourselves for work from home culture is a great task and require a big change in the mindset. Establishing a detailed policy for work from home and educating the employees on the same with the do's and don'ts shall help to get the best of the work from home system. Here I am sharing a few points to improve the effectiveness of work from home. What is work from home system? The work from home system is about the employee using his home as a base for working as per the workplace timings or as per the flexi timings instead of coming into workplace and working. Types of work from home system. There are various types of work from home system. I categorize mainly the following two types of work from home system. Type 1 situational based work from home. Type 2 positional based work from home. Now let's understand briefly about these two types of work from home approaches. Type 1 situational based work from home approach. The present work from home option given by the companies due to COVID-19 impact is the best example for situational based work from home approach. Here the necessity of work from home is not as part of the job or organizational requirements. The approach of work from home is due to situational conditions. In this approach, the specific conditions or circumstances force the organization to explore the option of work from home. This arrangement will not be permanent. In the majority of the situations, this option will be selected without any alternatives. The work effectiveness of the employees in this option will not be as expected due to several organizational and employee oriented reasons. Type 2 position based work from home system. The position based work from home approach is decided as part of organizational requirements. In this approach, the job designs are done in line with the work from home philosophy. The employees will be recruited focusing on the requirements of work from home and they have been trained to deliver the best results by working away from the office. The employees working in this type will visit to the office occasionally for important meetings or discussions only. Here we will understand the characteristics required from employees to work from home. As indicated in the beginning, work from home is not an easy task. That to give the output equal to work from office. Work from home options do not suit all employees. The punch in, punch out office environment, colleagues and formal controls and procedures will have a significant impact on the employee's output. Without any of these, working from home will not be easy for a few employees. The employees having the following characteristics will be the best suited for work from home option. High level of self-motivation, high level of self-discipline, high level of values and personal ethics, a fire in the belly to give the best, a positive mindset towards change and flexibility, effective time management, communication and organizing skills, ability to work without supervision and controls, strong knowledge of the job, ability to manage working and non-working hours, ability to self-evaluate and measure, ability to document and reporting, and they must not carry out work for anyone other than the company. What are the basic requirements from employee to opt for work from home option? The employee opting for the work from home system must fulfill the following a few basic requirements to opt for the work from home system. An employee must have a suitable dedicated workplace or office space. Minimum logistics to work comfortably without mental and physical stress. Freedom from interruptions and disturbances. Appropriate conditions to ensure security and confidentiality. Proper internet, mobile and power connections. Now let's understand working hours applicable for the employee working from home. The fixed working hours as per the office working hours or flexible working hours can be applied for the employees working from home. However, the working hours must be decided in line with the organizational requirements. Accordingly, the employees need to plan their work from home. Here, the output expected from the employees is more important than the number of working hours. Hence, the organizations must focus on the target versus output of the employees to measure the effectiveness of work from home rather than looking for the number of hours worked. Here, I suggest using the following format to track the output and working hours of the employees working from home. In this format, you can record date-wise, working hours, total hours and activities done specifically during those working hours and remarks if any and the total hours worked in the day. So this daily tracker can be used for all the days and can be submitted to the supervisors or superiors to evaluate the output of work from home. Similar to employees, the organization also must have a few basic requirements to permit employees to work from home. Before permitting the employees for work from home, the organization must have the following in place to ensure the effectiveness of the work from home as expected. A well-structured work from home policy should be in place. The employees must be educated thoroughly on the policy with their role and responsibilities and accountability. Must have a strong IT and data security policy. Must provide required logistics and IT support. Must have a well-established system for tracking the output and results of the employees. Must have a good system for addressing the grievances of employees working from home. Must have a system for frequent reviews and feedback. These are a few inputs about the work from home system. I hope these inputs will be useful for you. Thank you for watching it.